Really?
I don't know.
Oh, what the fuck? That's part of the clamp, the O-ring over there? Is that on the thing right here for these rubber things?
You can replace them.
That shit looks nice. He actually did a good job on my elbow, bro. Yo, that pulley's bad, bro. Cheers. What do you mean that pulley's bad? What's a pulley? It's seized.
Alright, so obviously right now we just taking off this hot side piping. Now, then the turbo first, and then the manifolds.
Actually, yeah, you're gonna have to, buddy.
Nah, I'll take the bumper off. It takes 2 seconds.
Yeah, that's fine.
Where's the is there like a toolbox besides that one? Cause like, look at that.
What do you need? Oh, there's one.
Toolbox.
There's one over there. I have a flathead over there too, on top of my undercarriage for my car.
On the undercarriage.
Oh, fuck. Where am I gonna find that again? The red toolbox is near that car. You gonna come right here?
Yeah.
That's the smart way, dude. Why the fuck would you go that way? Plus, it's getting all the hot air from the fucking radiator hitting it.
Yeah.
Why you getting mad oil on your turbo, dude? Too much boost. This fucking shit was ready to blow through. 65 PSI. Shit couldn't handle it.
Someday.
We're gonna have to go fucking.
Nah, actually didn't. It didn't go through. That's crazy. I don't know.
Whatever.
That's why I got that Figs undershield though. It's hitting the radiator temp sensor or something over here.
What kind of
I don't know. But you can just cut the pipe. It's a mech man.
That's a mech man?
Yeah.
How many amps?
270.
Bro, did you see that video I sent you? We just broke the record. Fastest. What? You don't watch anything I sent you?
You didn't send it to me.
We just broke the record.
Been talking about, you know, if it's getting Antrons, and David, we were here last year, we watched this car.
I have to take this turbo off when I get it out.
Take the manifold out, huh?
I could get the manifold out with the turbo.
That's yeah. You think that's probably gonna be easier, right?
I could probably get this out too. What is this, a 12? Is your e-brake on?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Wait, hold on, Steve. The it's not in the way for the thing to come off. It's not gonna come fully off with the action sensor.
I unclipped it.
Oh, the action sensor you did?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on, man. Wait. Hold on. It's getting stuck on something. Move the wire out of the way.
It's fine.
Alright, now hold on.
Pick it up.
You got the boost line.
I know.
You just cut it.
Give me a pair of Neil nose.
Oh,
No, it's a zip tie. No, not that.
what?
Order from them.
From
Flat
Australia.
racing?
Yeah. Show the guy.
I'll rip it through the middle.
Show the camera. Right?
No.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
Get your greasy fingers off my manifold. Oh, look at that.
So much more,
There
right?
you go, guys.
I'm telling you, that screen mirror can't fit, Bubba.
Yeah, I'll probably have to get. Oh, we'll see. All right, I'll get the stud kit.
The G39 100,000, 1050. Nah, I'm just kidding.
Oh, damn.
Get the lights, man.
No more T4.
Damn, big dog shit. T4's over bitches.
That's pretty good. Yeah. I like that. Alright, so there it is. There she sits. G35 1050 with the Artec VBAND. Looks so much cleaner. After this, she's getting sent off to the fabricator and gonna get new style piping going out down here, just like that side. So yeah, that's should be pretty much it for this video, guys. If you want to see, stay for the end of the video. I'm gonna post some more photos of how the manifold and everything looks. But yeah, that's the new rear housing. So you can see how it sits and fits. The drain will be nice because it can just go straight down. Gonna have to get a new downpipe made, and I had a 106 housing on it, so this is the 83. So yeah, it's gonna wake it up a lot, especially with this manifold too. I really want to see how it sounds with the manifold and just the throttle response and the way it drives, because you see in the car the old big 106 T4 housing, and it took forever for that thing to spool up. So yeah, alright, this is gonna wrap it up for this video, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe, and check out my other videos. I got a bunch more coming, and next video you'll see will be finished with the intercooler piping with the VBAND clamp or the HD clamp coming from here and then going into here. So yeah, appreciate you guys following, supporting me, and subscribing and whatnot. And yeah, till then, see you in the next one. Peace.